friends, this is a fun game to play with Reggie the Raccoon. It's about rhyming words. So this you'll need a parent to help you with this. You could cut them apart or you can leave them in sheets because you're going to rhyme a word such as cat and bat, mouse and house. If you leave them this way, you'll be able to have the matches right away. But if you cut them apart, you can mix them all up. You can turn one over and try to find the match. Car, star, fish, dish, boat, goat, key, tree. Have fun with this. You can also decide other ways to play this game. Have fun with it. Bye, friends.